to you all in front of you just to share a message that I'm worried of that is happening in front of me. I'll begin with a small story. A little boy loves to eat fishes bought and caught by his father. Yes, I'm speaking about a fisherman family. One day he asks his father to bring more fish from the sea, and he got more fishes, and along with that, his father comes dead along with the dead fishes. He saw the fishes were wounded by hooks, and he found his father was wounded by a bullet. See how insecure is fisherman's life. His simple goal is to lead a happy family and problem-free life. But unfortunately, he has to face the border issues and also the horrible socio-economic problems. The government has given many schemes for the fishermen and also about their shelter. But do they get it? The problem happening now is the frontline community people plucks it from them just because they belong to lower community. I would like to conclude by saying that we should all live as one community and destroy the belief of caste and creed. So here I am in the form of Mermaid to address the insecure life of fishermen. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhirami. Thank you. So moving forward, let's hear it from Glory. Hi, Glory.
Good afternoon to all the judges and good afternoon to all the beautiful ladies. I'm here, Glory. Wanted to represent the Tripura traditional, especially a woman. Now I know things has changed with education and more father, but we nevertheless, in olden generation also, the ladies, we are blessed with multi-talent. Do you all agree? I hope so. So today I'm going to talk about this rikutu, which is made by me at home, and the rest my mom has made. So this rikutu is symbolized that a woman, when they get periods or with the June cultivation, we Indian, we cover ourselves and go in the public, right? So some of the step I'm going to share you today, you will be enjoying. I think you must be seeing this step in Republic Day or Independence in the Delhi Gate. So here I go. So you can enjoy my background also. So these are the traditional of Tripura. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Glory. Thank you so much. So next we have Pranjali. Hi, Pranjali. Pranjali Pujari, can you please switch on your video and audio? Okay, she has some connection issues. So, all right. So moving forward, let's hear it from Komal. Hi, Komal.
Hi, Harry.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
प्लीज डॉक्टर मेरे बच्चे को बचा लीजिए. आप जितना बोलोगे, जितना भी आप फीस बोलोगे, मैं सब जमा कर दूंगी. प्लीज मेरे बच्चे को बचा लीजिए. Good afternoon, jury members and my fellow contestant. My name is Komal Agnihotri. Today, I dressed up like a doctor. I'm an engineer, but still I chose a profession to dress up like a doctor. The reason is that there is a difference between them. Engineers can only deal with the engine's part or a vehicle's part, but human engines can only be dealt by a doctor. Many times we have seen that it is very easy or not much painful to replace one car with another car. But किसी व्यक्ति को अपनी लाइफ से जाते हुए देखना या किसी व्यक्ति को रिप्लेस करना वो बहुत ही कठिन हो जाता है. In this pandemic we have seen these situations, and at that time doctors were the real god. That's why I dress up like a doctor, and I think that this is the most respectful job in the world, where people see a doctor as a god. As we have seen that doctors are very kind and very simple. That's why I think simplicity and their kindness is their real beauty. And that's why I dress up like as simple as I can be. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you so much. So next we have Drishti. Hi, Drishti. I think Drishti lost connection. Okay. So moving forward, we'll hear from Seli, and post Seli, the sequence would be Vandana, Tina, Tejasvi, Saloni, Gusen, Pragya, and Manjusha. Hi, Seli. Can we hear from you, please?
Hello?
Hello. Yeah. You'll have to switch on your video as well.
Yeah, actually, I lost. I'm just unable. Am I visible now?
Yes, yes. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon to all. I hope all are doing well. And so today I choose black, like smoky eye and all black. So because means in our society there is always the stereotype that people who have means a dark color, they are not beautiful, they are ugly. So I want to break that stereotype that black cannot be ugly. It can be see, after a dark night one beautiful morning will come. So it represent like if there is no dark, then we can't means understand what is the beautiful morning is. So it should be there, and we should not dominate the black the means the racism which we have, the stereotype which we have in our mind. We should not uh, means carry forward it. We should stop it calling people ugly who have dark skin. So that is why I put black means makeup today, so that means black color gives you more confident, it makes you glamorous, it and you, when you are confident, then nothing can stop you to achieve your goal. So that is what my theme was. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Seli. Thank you so much. So next we have Vandana. Hi, Vandana. Okay, I guess Vandana has also lost connection. So next we'll hear from Tejasvi. Hi, Tejasvi.
Hi, am I visible and audible?
Yes, yes, perfectly visible and audible. Ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
All women are created as equals. Only the finest become lawyers. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tejasvi Madan, and I've chosen to be a lawyer for today's round. Makeup is used as a beauty aid to help build the self-esteem and confidence of an individual. Similarly, the ideology of women empowerment is based on increasing the self-esteem of women and giving them equal rights in the society. I believe that by combining women empowerment and makeup, I chose to take up the role of a lawyer as my theme. Moreover, since I belong to a family of lawyers and judges, I was intrigued to take up this role. हम अक्सर सुनते हैं कि कानून अंधा होता है. We really believe that justice is blind, but justice only exists for certain categories, and that women fail to be treated as equals in our society. As a lawyer, I believe that I can emphasize that equality between women and men is a matter of social justice and a condition that it is also necessary and fundamental prerequisite for equality, development, and peace. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tejasvi. Moving forward, let's hear it from Saloni. Hi, Saloni.
Hello, ma'am. I'm ready, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone, and respected judges. I'm Saloni Gusai, and the look I have recreated today is of Kangna Ranaut from the song Fashion Ka Jalwa and from the movie Fashion. About my outfit, I'm wearing a black gown, the black cut crop top. And about my makeup, I have done a silver smoky eyes and a brown lipstick. I have chosen this role because I need to convey people how we should not accept failure, as Shonali, played by Kangna Ranaut, did in the movie. Instead of giving up in life, you must think what you can do next after the failure, because suicide is not a solution for any problem. There was another character, Meghna, played by Priyanka Chopra, who had a different approach towards failure. She accepted it and fought it in a positive way. You must be thinking, why didn't I choose Meghna's character for my task? But I need to tell you people not to be another Shonali and let success control you. When you stop believing in yourself, that time you will lose the real you. So love, respect, and believe in yourself and see you can overcome all the obstacles coming in your way. Thank you.
Thank you, Saloni. Thank you so much. Jury members, we have two Saloni in the list today. So please note, this one is Saloni Gusen, in case there is a confusion. So let's hear it from Pragya next. Hi, Pragya.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hello and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pragya Singh. So you all must be thinking why one side of my makeup is not as on my other side. So I have done this makeup look to show the domestic violence. So one side of my makeup, you can see that how elegant and beautiful we are. But on the other side, we can see how harsh situation it can be when it comes to domestic violence. We live in a country where goddesses are being worshipped. But on the other hand, we can see that some of our own people treat women like a thing, like they don't deserve to be in the society. But let me tell you one thing. We, as a woman, only want respect, love, care, and freedom. Freedom, in the sense, freedom to express ourselves, freedom to choose what we want to do in our life, freedom to choose what we want to wear in our life. That's all as a woman we accept. I have done this makeup to contribute some of my potential to aware people out there in the society. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragya. Thank you so much. Next, we can hear from Manjusha. Hi, Manjusha.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Namaste to all my lovely judges, coordinator, and all the ladies around here. I'm Manjusha Pandey. Today's my look is inspired by Mother Nature, Prakriti Ma. About my makeup, तो usually हम देखते हैं कि मदर नेचर को वेस्टर्न लुक में दिखाया जाता है, बट चूंकि मैं इंडियन हूँ तो मैंने अपना बेस्ट दिया है इन्हें इंडियन लुक देने के लिए. इसके लिए मैंने साड़ी वेयर की है और साथ ही साथ मैंने ग्रीन आई शेडो और बोल्ड आईलाइनर लगाया है विच रिप्रेजेंट द इंडियन लुक. इसके अलावा मैंने यहाँ पे ये हैंडमेड इस स्टाइल का ब्लाउज वियर किया है जो मैंने खुद बनाया है. नेट का दुपट्टा लिया है जो इन्हें माइथोलॉजिकल एसेंस देता है. साथ ही साथ बटरफ्लाई शोज टू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड फ्लावर विदाउट फ्लावर नेचर इज इनकम्प्लीट. मेरा ये मेकअप शो करता है जो कि आजकल की सिचुएशन है और एफसीआ फॉरएवर मिस इंडिया 2021 के स्टेज के थ्रू मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हमें नेचर का एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, शोषण, दोहन रोकना होगा, क्योंकि अगर हम अपने आने वाली जनरेशन को कोविड जैसी बीमारियां नहीं देना चाहते हैं सो इट्स मस्ट बी इम्पॉर्टेंट. और मदर नेचर हमारी माँ है, वो हमें इतना कुछ देती है तो बदले में हमें भी उसे लव देना चाहिए. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and love nature.
Thank you, Manjusha. Thank you so much. So next we have Reema. Hi, Reema. Post Reema, the sequence would be Janani, Shilpa, Aarti, Bindu, and Santosh. Reema Malik, can you please switch on your video and audio? I think she's not connected. Anyways. So next we have Janani. Hi, Janani.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Janani from Coimbatore, a city known for its simplicity and excellent entrepreneurship skills. And today, my idea reflects the handloom sector in our country is the second largest economic activity next to agriculture. So today, I'm wearing a handloom cotton sari made by the traditional weavers of Coimbatore in a place called Negamam. In Tamil, there is a saying, Niminda Nannadai, Nirkunda Parve, Nilathil Yarkum, Anjada Nerigal, which means you walk with your head held upright, look straight, and fear none. And the dark purple color is my favorite. I find it spiritual, imaginative, and unique. I chose to wear a diamond earpiece gifted by my mom, as it symbolizes a mother's love, and I feel every one of us is a diamond inside and just need to get the carbon away to truly shine. So today I chose to wear a subtle makeup that blends with my attire. It makes me feel confident, at the same time in tune with my personality that includes inner strength, perseverance, and endurance. So thank you Forever Star India for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janani. Thank you so much. So next we have Shilpa. Hi, Shilpa. Shilpa Thapa, can we please have your audio and video? Moving forward, let's hear it from Aarti. Hi, Aarti.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Am I audible and am I visible?
Yes, you're audible and visible both. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much, Harry. And thank you so much to all the panel. First of all, Kirti ji, Rekha ji today, and Roshni ji. I've noted down the names. So thank you very much for all of you. And also the backend team of Forever. I would not want to miss them because they are also playing a very, very important role in coordinating. Thank you very much. So today my theme is a modern Indian woman, which is a blend of traditional woman as well as a modern Western culture. So I would just want to first show what I'm wearing. So if I was visible, if you see what I'm wearing is I'm wearing a shirt and a pant, which is a corporate attire. And on top of it, I'm wearing a sari-like structure, which makes it a modern sari, just to show how a modern woman is. She wears these, traditional clothes, the traditional jewelry, what I'm wearing in my ears and what I'm wearing in my necklace. But also wears a blue color funky nail paint. She has a subtle makeup. She doesn't, she shows her flaws, because if you have a round face, you can definitely contour it a bit. But if you're wearing a spectacle, you definitely wear a spectacle at work and go. And also, minimalistic in the hands. So what I'm going to show here is today that how a modern Indian woman is a blend of modern and tradition. She's a working woman. Her house may not be kept properly, but in her heart, she knows how to take care of her family. And that's what I'm representing today, because I am one of that. I am one of a modern Indian woman, neither a Punjabi nor a Maharashtrian, nor from Punjab, neither from Maharashtra, but an Indian. Thank you very much. Indian working woman. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aarti. Thank you. Jury members, Aarti was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Bindu. Hi, Bindu.
Hi.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Hello, this is Bindu. And today I'm going to show this retro boho look. The reason behind this look is my mother, as you are hearing it right. My mother When I'm going through some of her old photos, I saw her in this same look. I asked, what is this look name? She told that she doesn't know the look name. So I searched in Google and I tried this look. Many people say that I look exactly like her. So she is my greatest inspiration and she is my best advisor in fashion till now. And coming to my makeup, I wore a little BB cream with some foundation, and this is my red lipstick I have chosen for this theme. And coming to my eyelashes and eyebrows, I have chosen some eyebrow pencil that is brown in color, and I put on some blush on my cheeks. You can see it. Coming to my jewelry, this is handmade that I have made by me. And this is the beautiful earrings that I have made this. And thank you for everyone for listening to me.
Thank you so much, Bindu. Next we have is Santosh, and post Santosh the sequence would be Ishita, Jas, Mosmi. So yeah. Hi Santosh.
Hello, Eri ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Namaste forever India and good afternoon respected judges. Meet Dr. Santosh Chauhan. आज मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का रोल अदा कर रही हूँ. मेरे थीम है रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. इनका जन्म वाराणसी में हुआ था और इनकी मृत्यु ग्वालियर में हुई थी. इन्होंने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ 1857 में लड़ाई लड़ी थी और अपनी झांसी के लिए लड़ी थी और झांसी को जीता और अपने जीते जी अंग्रेजों को झांसी का नहीं होने दिया और उनके खिलाफ लड़ी और वीर गति को प्राप्त हुई. इसे रानी लक्ष्मीबाई से हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि भाई लड़ना नहीं है और डरना नहीं है और महिला सशक्तिकरण की हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है. इनके पति का नाम गंगाधर राव था और बेटे का नाम दामोदर राव था. इन्होंने अपनी देश के लिए स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई लड़ी और हमें भी यही शिक्षा मिलती है कि लड़ना नहीं है, डरना नहीं है, महिला सशक्त होती है, किसी से कम नहीं होती है. इसके लिए हमें महिला सशक्तिकरण की प्रेरणा मिलती है और मैं सारी एफसीआर टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी, ट्रेनिंग टीम को, कि उन्होंने मेकअप हमें ऐसा सिखाया जिससे हम अपना मेरा प्रोफेशन है डॉक्टर और डॉक्टर से मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जो एक सशक्त महिला थी उसका रोल में अदा कर पा रही हूँ. तो मैं सारी एफसीआर मेकअप टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी जिससे हम उस महिला जो पूरी देश में विख्यात है उस महिला का मैं रोल अदा कर पाई और उनकी ट्रेनिंग के कारण ही आज मैं आपको इस रोल में अपना गेटअप दिखा पा रही हूँ. ये मेरा पूरा गेटअप है रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का और मैं पूरी फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी और कीर्ति मैम को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी, मेकअप टीम को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी जिन्होंने मुझे मेक ओवर करना सिखाया और अपने मेकअप को पूरे अच्छे से दूसरा रूप या कोई भी किसी भी टैलेंट किसी भी दूसरे रूप में अपने आप को मेक ओवर कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद एफसीआर.
Thank you, Santosh. Thank you so much. Jury members, Santosh was 25 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Ishita.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ishita, and today I'm representing my job. I'm a nurse, and I think it's a noble job. We all are appreciate all doctors, police, but we never appreciate the nurses, that job. That nurses also are very working hard for a patient. They are taking care of a patient very neatly and nicely. And without a nurse, a hospital will be very empty, I think. अगर कोई डॉक्टर ब्रेन होता है हॉस्पिटल का तो नर्स होता है उस हॉस्पिटल का हार्ट. तो विदाउट हार्ट we all will be dead without heart. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो मैंने आज रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ नर्स का, तो एक नर्स का होता है कि आप लोग बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हो, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलते हो, उन लोगों के साथ उन लोगों का केयर करते हो। तो इस मिस इंडिया पीजिएंट पे भी हम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलते हैं कि हम लोग खुद को एक्सप्लोर कर सके। इसलिए मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मैं ये रिप्रेजेंट करूं। और आई थिंक कि नर्सिंग taught me to be kind to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ishita. Thank you so much. So next we have Jazz. Hi, Jazz. Can we please have your video and audio? Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Good evening, all, and beautiful judges. I'm Jazz, represent my all beauty, and मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं किसी का मैंने sorry ma'am, ma'am, I'm audible?
Yes, yes, please continue.
मैंने थोड़ा सा मेकअप किया है, आई मेकअप, एंड सबसे पहले मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई किया, देन प्राइमर। आफ्टर मैं फाउंडेशन यूज नहीं करती बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि वो मुझ पर सूट नहीं करता है, इसलिए मैंने लैक्मे सीसी क्रीम यूज की है, एंड उसके बाद मैंने कंसीलर और थोड़ी सी रेड लाइट कलर में रेड कलर की मैंने लिपस्टिक अप्लाई किया। आई मेकअप में मैंने गोल्डन एंड पिंक शेडो लगाई है, एंड मैंने लेंस वेयर किया है जिससे कि मेरी आईज अट्रैक्टिव हो, एंड आई वेयर अ वाइट कलर वॉच बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि वाइट से शांति मिलती है, इसीलिए कि मेरा आने वाला टाइम भी शांति से बीते और आने वाला टाइम मेरा इसी की तरह ही सफेद हो, सब कुछ अच्छा हो, इसलिए मैं हमेशा ही वाइट वॉच वेयर करती हूँ। एंड मैंने कलरफुल ड्रेस वेयर की है जिसमें कि सबसे पहले वाइट है जो कि मैं शांति के लिए आपको बता चुकी हूँ कि मुझे शांति हमेशा बहुत अच्छी लगती है, उसके लिए मैंने ये चूज किया। एंड रेड है, रेड कलर मैंने यूज किया बिकॉज ये एक लव का थीम प्रेजेंट करता है, एंड ब्लैक आई लव ब्लैक मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो इसलिए। एंड आई शो माई ड्रेस, इट्स अ मिनी ड्रेस। एंड मुझे लगता है कि हमें कुछ भी ओवर नहीं करना चाहिए, जो आपकी ब्यूटी है वो ही हमें शो ऑफ करनी चाहिए। एंड अगर हम ओवर करते हैं तो फिर वो ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि हम कुछ ज़्यादा ही किसी और को, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे लगता है कि हम किसी और को कॉपी कर रहे हैं या कुछ और समथिंग, है ना। बिकॉज ऑलवेज ही मैंने खुद से ही सीखा है और खुद ही करती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे किसी ने गाइड नहीं किया इस चीज़ के लिए। एंड that's it, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Jury members, Jazz was 1 minute past her scheduled time. Thank you so much, Jazz. So moving forward, let's hear it from Mausami. Hi, Mausami. Okay, I think she lost connection. So next we have is Kanchan. Hi, Kanchan. Can we please have your video and audio? Okay, so let's proceed to Tina then. Hi, Tina.
Hi. I'm so sorry I got late because the heat stroke got me and I was in the middle of some work. So hi. A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Tina and I'm wearing this denim shirt and a sari which I infused because in India what happens with the bold look is कि चलो ठीक है मिक्स एंड मैच करना है, कुर्ती के साथ जीन्स पहन लिया, प्लाजो के साथ कभी साड़ी कर ली, बट वी नेवर गेट गिव अ थॉट कि अगर एक इंडियन लेडी को बोल्ड लुक पहनना है तो शी कैन गो विद द साड़ी एज वेल. So I have chosen this look just because of that thing, and I have done my makeup with the purple and pink smoky, soft smoky eye and a subtle makeup.
Thank you, Tina. Thank you so much. So next we have is Shilpa Thapa. Hi, Shilpa. Can we please hear from you? Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
नमस्ते मैम. नमस्ते मैम, ये मैं अपने नेपाली कल्चर का पहन के आई हूँ ड्रेस, और मैंने पूरी नेपाली ड्रेस पहन रखी है जिसमें मैं अपने नेपालियों के लिए कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ अपने कल्चर के बारे में. कि काफी लोग नेपालियों को जैसे आंखों के वजह से टोन कर मतलब बोलना और नाक के वजह से बोलते हैं, तो मैं उसी वजह से भी चाहती थी कि मैं अपने कल्चर के बारे में बताना चाहती थी. तो फर्स्ट ये कि जैसे इसमें मैंने ये ज्वेलरी पहन रखी, ये हमारे में बहुत इसका भी बहुत वैल्यू है, मतलब इसको बहुत मान्यता देते हैं, और इसे चारमुखी मंगलसूत्र के तौर में बोलते हैं, और इसे ताबीज वाला बोलते हैं. और सबसे मेन हमारे में बोलते हैं ये नेपाली तिल्लरी, जिसे लगाने से जैसे हमारे इंडियन में मंगलसूत्र की वैल्यू है, वैसे ही हमारे नेपाली में इस तिल्लरी की वैल्यू है मैम. और जो मैंने नेपाली ड्रेस पहन रखी है अपनी, ये हमारा नेपाली ड्रेस है मैम. तो मैं अपने ड्रेस का बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. ये हमारे अपने कल्चर को आगे बढ़ाना चाहती हूँ, और लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि नेपालियों के लैंग्वेज में ही मत जाइए, उनके अंदर भी बहुत टैलेंट है, और अगर उनको उसको दिखाना चाहे तो वो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं आगे मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you. So this is the last call for Pranjali and Kanchan. If you guys, either of you could switch on your videos and...
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Pranjali. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pranjali, and yeah, this is my outfit. I'm wearing a sari, a light sari with a makeup, light makeup with a loud lipstick. I've concealed my under eye and darkened my brows, and a bit shimmery on my eyeshadow. And this is my jewelry I'm wearing. And this outfit is, I'm representing this outfit because it's all dedicated to my, not my mom, like everyone's mom. Sabki moms ke liye dedicated hai. Like they are superheroes. वो पूरे life sacrifice करती है behind us. She supports us. She just do everything what a mother could. So yeah, this is just a thank you for mom. Hello. Ma'am, am I audible?
Your last segment got buffered a lot. Your voice started buffering. So if you could repeat that, it would be great.
Yeah. So this outfit is dedicated to all moms who just sacrifice their life behind children, who support their children, and everything they do for us. So this outfit represents them. And thank you a lot, sub moms ke liye, who supports. And yeah, they are the real. So that's why I choose wearing sari.
Jury members, Pranjali was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. And moving forward, we have Surbhi Shaw. Hi, Surbhi. Can we please have your video?
हेलो मैम मैम मुझे कुछ टाइम मिल सकता है क्या?
Surbhi, we have almost winded up.
ओके मैम मैम गिव मी 5 minutes मैम प्लीज. एक्चुअली मेरा इंटरव्यू था तो मैं बाहर थी तो मैं कुछ देर पहले ही घर पे आई हूँ.
Okay, let me just see if Kanchan is available till then. Hi, Kanchan, can you hear me? कंचन रानी, क्या आप अपना वीडियो एंड ऑडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं प्लीज? Okay, so I guess by the time Surbhi joins in, we can probably wind up for the rest of us. So thank you so much, ladies, for putting up such a great show. Indeed, I am sure you guys have become so more conscious that pretty much nobody exceeded the time limit today, and the words were taken care of. So that's a very, very good improvement, I must say. So now I request the jury members to give us some parting words, and I would like to request Kirti ma'am to start over.
Thank you so much, Hari, for allowing me. And yes, congratulations to each one of you for successfully appearing for your talent round 2. I could see that, there's a lot of difference in your levels of confidence, the way you're talking, and yes, the way you're taking care of the rules and regulations of each and every round, because 2 or 3 people, I guess, just exceeded the time limit. That's an amazing thing. It completely shows that you were prepared for this talent round. Just 1 or 2 points that I want to highlight here. One thing, keep in mind about your virtual presence here. Yeah, because this is something that you have to take care in the long run. Yes, and you have been trained for it. The image consultants have told you that how you're supposed to fit yourself in this box and how you're supposed to talk about yourself. So just keep in mind, like, what is the background that you're taking, and when you're standing up, are you completely visible to the audience or not? And if you put in so much efforts in getting ready, you dressed yourself up so beautifully, so I would not just a suggestion, I would insist that please get up, please stand up and show us your full attire. Yeah, we're just able to see this much of you. Yeah, so that only shows your makeup, but it is about your makeup and the attire and the whole self that you're portraying today. So please, just remember doing that. And one more thing, that when you actually believe in something, right, and when you're talking about it, the content, your language, or difficult words, these do not matter. So do not learn these things, do not read these things. I would really appreciate that you talk about something that you really believe in. और जब हम किसी चीज को सच में मानते हैं, जब हम सच में किसी के लिए passionate हैं, right, when you're portraying something which you really like, then you do not really need to learn it. Yeah, वो अपने आप निकलेगा. Moreover, the time limit is only 90 seconds. तो वो चीज I am not really expecting from candidates like you, participants like you, who are up for Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India. So yes, time and again, I have to remind you that this is a professional platform, and just consider yourself that you're a part of Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India. And this is a huge platform. So yes, try and behave like that. But yes, the performances were great. You kind of tried to come out of your comfort zones, and that's what the idea is, that we have to try and explore as much as we can. Only then we are going to learn in the process. Yes, only then we are going to reach there in the finale. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. Now I request Rekha to take over.
Hi, thank you, Harry. And yeah, good to listen to Kirti. She summed it up very well. Yes, even I want to reiterate that you all are, girls. One of you said, I am a modern Indian working woman, which was very good. I like the confidence. All of you are. We all are. Mary Kom is playing right now, representing us at the Olympic stage. Okay, so we have that lineage. We all are made of steel. Women from our country today, PV Sandhu has performed brilliantly. Mary Kom is playing right now. Don't dwell into the victim mode, like I'm portraying a domestic abused woman. I don't expect a Miss India, a future Miss India, or a future Mrs. India to dwell on those pitiable issues. You have to rise above all that and be role models and portray that this does not exist. If you keep dwelling in that, if you keep thinking about it, if you keep celebrating it, it is going to happen. Why should it happen? You all are women of substance. We all are women of substance. So please don't talk about women being subjected to this and that, at least not at this platform. You all are not. That's why you are here. And seeing you, other women will be inspired that such things don't happen, and I have to rise above being victimized. Okay, and yes, I liked this girl Saloni Gusai did use a lot of space, and she portrayed a model, so she did show through her catwalk and dressing like that. So yeah, please show us your costumes, your makeup, yourself in entirety, and be more confident of your language, your entire demeanor, and you all are not above all others. That's why you are here. So please feel special and portray special. Yeah, and not just talk about basic colors like a certain color gives me this, so I'm portraying that. All colors are peaceful, all colors are bright, all colors are vibrance and peace and energy and everything. Research about some content, good content, and enjoy. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rekha, for such a valuable insight. And now I'd request Roshni to take over.
So to sum it up, both the judges, I felt the same thing. I felt today we were a little less on confidence and energy, because as Kriti always says that, if you talk about something you believe in, you will never be lacking in your confidence. So, rather than just working upon the content and your theme and everything, you should be presenting your beliefs here. And once you start doing that, you will never lack confidence. So apart from few contestants like Aarti, I really loved her energy, the way she presented herself, her concept, everything. Like, her confidence was there, because in the end, if you guys heard it clearly, she said that I am that Indian working modern woman. So she was representing herself and not just the theme. So her confidence was very much visible, So that's what I would say from the today's session, that work on your confidence and your beliefs and talk about that, and you shall rock. All the best, everyone.
I just have to ask, today Drishti and Vandana were not there, right?
Yeah, they joined in earlier, but I guess it got disconnected or something else.
Drishti and Vandana are not there, and Surbhi remains.